Join me as we travel on the Emirates A380 from Rome to Dubai. We'll take a look at the Emirates Lounge here in Rome and then take a 5-hour flight to Dubai. This would be one of my worst Emirates flights I have ever experienced. Our flight from Rome to Dubai will cover a distance of 4,350 kilometers. I've broken down this video into two halves simply because I've experienced both extremes of Emirates, from the bad to the good.
So I'm at Rome Fiumicino Airport, about to board a Emirates A380 flight to Dubai and then on to Australia. I think it's a 5 to 6 hour flight on the A380 and then a further 11-hour flight. So join me on this adventure.
We were the first in line at check-in just so we could get to the lounge early.
Okay, so all checked in. Being a business class with Emirates, of course you get to use the fast track. So straight through security, straight through immigration, all within about 6 minutes. So pretty efficient. Now we're in the duty-free section of Fiumicino Airport, now heading to the lounge, which I believe is near gate 22. 8-minute walk from immigration.
This is a great lounge, a lot of space and great views out to the airside.
So I've arrived in the Emirates Lounge. As with most of the lounges, there is direct boarding, as you can see just behind me, direct to the plane. So we can stay here until departure time.
Before we depart Italy, we've got to try one more of the beautiful burrata cheese. And the lunchtime buffet is being prepared. Flying business will get an amazing meal on the plane, so I don't want to fill up too much at this buffet. And it's time to board direct from the lounge. We take a glimpse of our plane. Registration's A6EEN. It's 12 years old.
And it's time to board the A380 upper deck on Emirates.
Seating is a 1-to-1 configuration, and if you're traveling with your partner, I do recommend those middle seats. USB-C is supported, but if you've got a newer device needing USB-A, bring an adapter. There's plenty of legroom, and of course these transform into lay flat beds as well. Emirates do a good job of their amenity packs and do a good job at making these tamper-proof.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got a mirror.
Oh wow.
Wow. Rose Goldia.
Wow.
5 mil.
Okay.
Need a toilet. Wow.
Perfect.
Rose Goldia. Body milk.
Wow.
Face cream.
Mm-hmm.
Lip balm.
Yep.
Toothbrush. Oh, deodorant.
Oh, perfect.
Brush. Lights. Oh, tissues.
Awesome.
And a hair tie. That's
Perfect.
handy.
That is good.
Beautiful bag.
Beautiful Bulgari bag.
And I couldn't let Kirsty have all the fun, so here's the unveil of the men's amenity kit.
Okay, what do we got? Got the Rexona deodorant. Got, oh I love this, the in black Bulgari aftershave. I've got body lotion, aftershave balm. Lip balm, shaving cream. Wow. shaver, of course tissues and dental kit. So pretty impressive, but yeah, it's really nice bag. Bulgari men's bag. Okay, so the menu and the wine list has just arrived. So having a look at this, we've got the drinks, the cocktails. Let's get to the food. Oh, it looks like we've got dinner on this flight. Might try the Arabic mezzi, but there's also smoked salmon, cut salmon, smoked salmon, cut salmon. I've had too much champagne already. Creamy green pea soup, and of course mains of beef, chicken, or pan-fried salmon fillet. Of course in the lounge. So this is a 5-6 hour flight. So pretty impressive. On the next flight, 11 hours, there's going to be 2 meals. So stay tuned for that.
As soon as we are airborne, we go down to the A380 bar at the back of the plane. This will later be our worst mistake on this flight.
Well, we're an hour and a half into the flight, and I must admit it is quite disappointing for Emirates. My partner and I were down at the back of the plane when the orders were taken. When we came back, you'd expect someone to actually come back and check what you'd like for the dinner service and the drink. Anyway, hour and a half later, the tablecloths are placed on the table, and I said, hang on, haven't ordered yet. And they said, oh, you're at the back. And I would have thought they'd actually come back and check with me what I would like for dinner. Anyway, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this. Even if I was at the back, well, surely I need my meal order taken. So I do find it pretty poor of Emirates. I've done a number of flights on Emirates, and yeah, so far, hour and a half in, not happy at all, particularly given this is a fully paid flight in business class.
Reading an Emirates press release, I am very surprised to read of their swift and precise service by using this new app the crew have.
I actually found the staff quite rude, saying, well, you were down the back. How have your experiences been with Emirates of late? I've seen a decline over the last 2 years. Well, meal service has started, and it does appear to be pretty inefficient compared to coming across on Qantas the other week. I am surprised though. I mean, the issue with not taking my order, the cabin crew are continually looking at their phone. They seem to track who is having what. So again, I'm quite amazed how they could miss my order. Just total inefficiency of the Emirates crew.
After the mezzi plate for entree, the main was a grilled beef fillet, served with jus, creamed potatoes with tarragon, and runner beans. My partner had the pan-fried salmon fillet. For dessert, we decided to head down to the bar and try some affogatos before landing into Dubai.
Wonderful, thank you so much. Affogato and 30,000 feet, 40,000 feet maybe, of the A380. Cheers.
It was a shame that I wasn't actually looking forward to the next 11-hour flight on Emirates. Would the service be better on this next flight? We arrive into Dubai and head straight to the first class lounge and the beautiful a la carte restaurant. And don't forget to subscribe to be advised every time I release a new vlog.